You will be amazed by this 2023 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this rugged Toyota 4Runner, the iconic family-friendly vehicle with serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and an intrepid soul. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Don't miss the chance to make your off-road dreams come true. Get behind the wheel of this rugged 4Runner and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.
At Wright Toyota in Scottsdale, our mission is simple: your complete satisfaction before, during, and long after the sale. We're proud to be one of Arizona's premier Toyota dealerships, offering a wide selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Our service doesn't stop at the showroom. Our factory-trained technicians and comprehensive service department are here to keep your vehicle running like new. At Wright Toyota, we believe in integrity, value, and a no-hassle experience every time you visit. Come see the Wright Toyota difference at 7701 East Frank Lloyd Wright Boulevard in Scottsdale.